We stopped in at Starbucks to get some coffee and some breakfast food. We're now on our way on about a 3-mile walk, I believe, to the other side of Dublin.
The one my heart has gone to me, now go to wait.
We just finished up a tour of Kilmainham Gaol here in Dublin, and I couldn't film that, but we're taking some photos, and we're just kind of exploring the museum now.
"20 minutes later."
What are you doing?
About 11 o'clock a.m. now, making our way past the storehouse again, heading toward Christ Church Cathedral because we want to check out the crypts. Supposedly they're some of the largest and most impressive in all of Ireland and in Britain. Thanks for the warning.
Sorry to interrupt your video.
No, it's all good. That was safety first, yeah.
You have to pay admission, and then if you want to see the crypts, it's a separate tour price.
Oh.
So for us, it's going to be €6 plus another $4.50 to see the crypts. Just €6 just to be able to walk in.
So we're heading down into the crypts of Christ Church Cathedral now. And it is quite creepy.
Castle Street's right there.
This one right here? Right, thank you.
Like a little mini. What? Want to try an apple pie?
Now this is an impressive building. Wow.
You must remember this.
A kiss is still a kiss.
They even got like, yeah, cheap PS2 games out here.
Do you need that?
An original grey one or black one, yeah? Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Enjoy the sun, Katie. You don't want to totally offend you, or did you sit out in the sun?
No, you're fine.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Thank you very much. Just finished up having a bite to eat for lunch. Now we're heading over to Trinity College, which isn't too far away from Temple Bar where we're staying. Right?
You must remember this. A kiss is still a kiss.
Just finished up at Trinity College. Saw the Book of Kells, which was phenomenal. Learned a lot about vellum and some of the other writing techniques used during that time. And I think we're heading back now to the apartment to kind of maybe change some clothes and freshen up a bit.
You filmed all of that.
Good. You can watch it and learn the lesson over and over.
Yeah. I don't think all the audio was captured anyway.
What a loss.
I'll put the thank you cards in my carry-on.
Okay.
And then while we're on the plane tomorrow, we need to flip them out. So we have them ready to give.
Flip them out.
Sound good?
Sounds good. And then you stopped.
Hair was black and her eyes were blue.
We got back to the apartment about an hour ago, and we've spent the last hour or so packing, basically getting ready for our flight in the morning. I think we're going to go out again for dinner and drinks tonight because, hey, it's the last night in Dublin, and why not? That'll probably wrap up this one, and our trip in Ireland will come to an end. Ireland, you have been fantastic, and I hope to see you again one day.
Fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. Put on your own mask first before you attend to children or other passengers. There is a life jacket in a package under every seat.
It's all available on the CD, folks.